It's your boy Z-Man World.
Time goes by while I get some inspiration, making funny imitations. I get pieces of information, learning a lot of education so I can get better. I'm driving through my destination, fighting through any weather. My rhymes are so cold, yo, I think I need a sweater. Swimming through the waves of punchlines, make them wetter. I love all my rhymes, I always put them together. All my rhymes are lyrical, I rap more than 3 syllables. My technique is unique, I spit them more like a riddle.
Splash Culture, look in the description. The link is in the description. Get a free, I mean it's not free, but get a discount on your purchase from Splash Culture using my discount code Z-Man World in all caps. But yeah, I just did a video on this empty ass bottle. I'm about to throw it away. The next video I'm doing is a video on this cologne, this precious cologne called Bleu, because I did a video on the talent agency interview I had when I was getting ready for the talent agency interview. I also recommended this cologne on that video. It's empty. I used all of it. It still smells good. Oh yeah, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells amazing. But I'm about to talk about this cologne in a bit. Remember, it's called Pure Blue. I got it from TJ Maxx. So Pure Blue, it was only $12.99. It's probably more expensive online, I'm not sure. But Pure Blue for men is a cologne. When I was about to say testing, but you know how you put it on your fucking wrist and you smell it to see, you know, what it smell like, your hands. I was testing the smell, basically, I think is what it's called. But I was doing that at the stores. I think I also did it at the mall. I might have saw the same cologne, I'm not sure. But it smells a lot similar to Nautica. So if you love Nautica products, and the first ever cologne I ever had or tried was called Black Noir or Black Dior, some shit like that. Some grandpa cologne I saw. I remember the school I used to go to, and the car they had a security guard. He was pretty old. He had the same cologne on. But this was after I first tried the cologne and first had the cologne. It might have been a little bit, you know, while I was, you know, getting my last sprays in with that cologne. But I highly recommend Pure Blue. It's a very good smelling cologne. It's light. It's not a heavy smelling cologne. I always try to keep 2 different bottles of cologne so that way if I finish one, I could go to the next one. You know what I'm saying? I'll wear it to like work. You know, as an extra I've been wearing it there. Whenever I'm in public places. When I was at school I didn't really wear it. When I started going to college I started wearing it. But it wasn't like daily. I would forget a lot of times to wear it. You know, I was always trying to get ready for stuff. So I was always trying to smell good. And a lot of times people aren't going to recognize the smell. I try to put on enough so that way it could be noticeable, but you know, my dad would say I'm wearing too much. But when some people like family come into town, they notice it. So it really just comes down to how much you put on, because like I said, this is a very light cologne. So it's not going to be noticeable if you put a little bit on. I don't know if that's the key of cologne. I'm not new to cologne, but I just like putting on enough cologne. Some people say I put on a lot, but it's up to you how much you want to put it on. I try putting it on my neck, my chest, sometimes the creases of my elbows. I never put it on my wrist, because usually when I wash my hands when I'm in the bathroom, it comes off when I put soap on it and apply soap on it. So the crease of my elbows, my neck, my chest, y'all might say that's a lot, but to me I think that's enough. So like whenever I'm giving somebody a hug, oh yeah, also whenever I'm around girls, you know, one of the girls, she really liked this cologne. Too bad that I don't have any more of it. I have to put it down because I don't want to break it since it's glass. But you know, wear cologne to be representable or presentable. I don't know what's the fucking word for that. But I could keep going on and on about the cologne. Comment what's your favorite cologne if you're a man, if you're a woman. Comment what's your favorite perfume. To me, I feel like no matter what perfume a girl put on, this smells good. And it's loud enough for you to smell when a girl put on perfume. I wish it was like that for me. I wish it would be smelling. I wish it would be loud enough for like somebody to smell, you know. And you know, I just try to be attractive and shit every once in a while. So that's why I keep my cologne with me. But like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I know y'all really like the Bachelorette video. I might do another one of that, react to like a clip. Right now, I'm watching the season to The Bachelor. So I'm in the first 2 or 3 episodes. I'm gonna try to get through the rest. I don't know when the finale is. I don't know if the finale already passed on March 8th or if it's coming out next week on Monday and Tuesday. So I'm really excited for that. Like I said, like the video, comment on the video, share the video with your friends and other people that love some cologne, and subscribe if you're new to the channel because we always be original. Alright guys, it's 1:30 on the dot. I'm about to put some cologne on, and then I'm about to put my clothes on. Oh, that rhyme. I should put that in the rap. Alright, so I really hate my school. 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 I really hate my school.